tell Katie's excited for this run, right? Okay, so last time I made it there and back in 12 minutes. It's very slippery right now. We'll see if we can try to get close to that this time. Okay. I'm giving Caitlin a little head start here. I'll still beat her though. I gave Katie a head start. She's all the way over there. You can see her. But you know, I should just go back home and not run and just let her run on her own. How funny would that be? Catching up to Katie a little bit. Caitlin? Don't run away from me. Alright guys, we're gonna be on the road most of the day. This is pretty much my breakfast and the only meal I'm gonna eat today besides a few snacks I'm gonna have on the road here. But for my breakfast, I'm gonna have an egg with about 5 ounces of chicken. I'm gonna have this smoothie that I made with Greek yogurt, pineapple, banana, spinach, and kale, and some whey protein in there. Later, I'm gonna have dead apple, avocado, carrots, and cucumbers. Some almonds mixed with some cashews, and I added some maple syrup in it a little bit. I've got some Greek yogurt here, cottage cheese, honey, and some coconut flakes. That's one of my favorites for those of you guys who've been watching. You know that's always my go-to. And I'm gonna have some grapes later. I'll catch you guys later. Take pics from me, said she gave still into me.
Is it blue? Yeah. Wait, yeah. Those were just the ones that I used because the rabbit.
She wants to eat my phone. Hey, you both need to get off because that is my seat right there. Why you get to... You gotta preheat the oven.
Delicious.
You like it?
It's very good.
Are you just saying it because the camera there, or do you really mean it?
I mean it.
You like my food?
Mm-hmm.
You like it? Mm-hmm. I want you guys to look at how crazy this is, okay? I'm just trying to get some water here. Watch this. Isn't that the sickest water that you guys have ever seen?
How's it taste?
It tastes pretty good too, actually. It tastes pretty good. See that? Jeez. Scary. Alright guys, on the next vlog, I'm gonna take you guys to the Mall of America. Thank you for watching this one. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.